Dear concern, we are giving you a chance to end this. All we also declare that no call, message, email will come to you after today. So please pay 2,100 immediately. If you fail to pay, court notice will be dispatched to your given address. Arrest warrant will be issued against you. So like that, you get that like a hard copy legal notice to your given address. They threaten you that a hard copy will be dispatched to your given address. Arrest warrant will be issued. Other, if you don't pay the like a penalty amount, maintenance amount, or a court fee because you have done a breach of contract, you have taken the work, you have not completed the work, or in between you want to left out the job, you have to pay the cancellation charge, maintenance charge. Like that, there are so many companies providing you data entry, form filling, captcha filling works. Initially they tell you it's a like a good earning job and it's a genuine work, it's a government registered. You give your ID proof, sign the agreement. After that, they demand the money from you. If you don't pay, they will send you a legal. In case you also get into this trap where the people are demanding the money, sending a legal notice to your given address and telling you to come to the court, otherwise pay that much amount of money, 10, 20,000. No need to worry. Just get our advocate help and save your time and money from anywhere at any time. You can contact us. We are going to advise you so that you don't have to worry about payment or any legal action or going anywhere. Just by sitting in your home, you can get our help and save your time, money, and complete mental peace in this case.